Hello and welcome to the latest episode of AI Today, your one stop for all-in-one AI. In this week's highlights we have latest updates on AI, tech and robotics, trending tool and AI flash. Let's begin with latest in AI. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang announced a sweeping lineup at GTC 2026, introducing the open-source Nemo Claw to bring security and privacy guardrails to OpenClaw agents. He also unveiled the next-gen Vera Rubin AI platform, DLSS 5 for photorealistic gaming, new enterprise and robotics tools. The updates underscore Nvidia's push to scale agentic AI across global industries. Encyclopedia Britannica and Merriam-Webster have filed a federal lawsuit accusing OpenAI of scraping nearly 100,000 copyrighted articles to train ChatGPT without permission. The complaint also alleges the AI system outputs verbatim reproductions and falsely attributes hallucinated definitions and facts to their brands, harming reputation and revenue. The case adds to escalating legal battles over AI training data and intellectual property. Anthropic has launched a 2-week promotion doubling Claude's usage limits during off-peak hours across free, Pro, Max, and Team plans. The boost applies automatically on weekdays outside the 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Time peak window and all day on weekends, running through March 27. The move follows a surge in Claude adoption and aims to ease frustration over strict message caps. Google is expanding the bridge between generative AI and real-world data with Groundsource, a Gemini-powered pipeline that transformed decades of global news into a 2.6 million record flash flood dataset. The system extracts, classifies, and geomaps events across 150-plus countries. Google also introduced a new grounding tool for maps inside AI Studio, enabling developers to anchor AI outputs to precise real-world locations. OpenAI has partnered with Amazon Web Services to provide its GPT models to U.S. defense and government agencies for both classified and unclassified work, marking its largest move into national security to date. The agreement, confirmed by AWS, follows Anthropic's clash with the Pentagon and allows OpenAI to continue using multiple cloud providers. The deal positions OpenAI as a key federal AI supplier. Anthropic has introduced Dispatch, a research preview feature for its Claude Cowork platform that mirrors the capabilities of OpenClaw. The tool lets users remotely control a Mac-based Cowork session from an iPhone or mobile browser using a simple QR pairing system. Built as a counterpart to Claude Code's remote control, Dispatch enables task execution on a desktop agent while the user is away, expanding Anthropic's agentic ecosystem. Baidu has launched OpenClaw, a suite of AI agents, DoMate, RedClaw, and DoClaw, designed to perform complex, multi-step tasks across desktop apps, mobile tools, cloud services, and smart home devices. The agents act like an operating system for AI, handling everything from video editing to research and daily errands without app switching. The release positions Baidu at the center of China's fast-growing agentic AI race. Minimax is testing a self-evolving approach with its new M2.7 model, where early versions of the system helped write training code, adjust learning strategies, and iterate through more than 100 refinement cycles. The recursive process handled up to half of the RL workflow and delivered roughly a 30% accuracy boost on internal benchmarks, signaling a major step toward autonomous model development pipelines. Microsoft is reportedly considering legal action against Amazon and OpenAI after sources told the Financial Times that the companies are discussing a $50 billion cloud partnership. Microsoft holds an exclusive contract to host OpenAI's models on Azure, and executives are prepared to sue if the new deal violates that agreement. The potential clash highlights rising tensions as cloud giants compete for AI infrastructure dominance. Anthropic has published the largest qualitative AI study ever, interviewing over 80,000 Claude users across 159 countries about their hopes and fears for AI's future. Respondents prioritize professional excellence and time freedom, while citing unreliability, job loss, and loss of autonomy as top concerns. This study offers the global snapshot yet of how everyday users perceive AI's trajectory. Now let's see what we have in tech and robotics this week. Scientists at the Technical University of Munich have developed a robot that uses 3D vision, spatial mapping, and AI reasoning to predict the most likely locations of misplaced household items, finding them about 30% faster than random searching by understanding both objects and their surrounding context. Uber is teaming up with UK startup Wave and Nissan to launch a robotaxi pilot in Tokyo by late 2026. The service will use Nissan Leaf vehicles and Wave's AI driving system, marking Uber's first autonomous ride partnership in Japan. China's drug regulator has approved Neuracle's invasive brain computer interface for commercial use, enabling paralyzed patients to regain hand function via a neural-controlled robotic glove. The approval marks a global first, putting China ahead of Neuralink and other BCI rivals. Researchers have developed a silicon photonics chip that lets robots and drones generate 3D maps while simultaneously measuring object speed. The compact, low-power sensor delivers real-time 4D imaging, overcoming limitations of bulky traditional systems and enabling faster, more accurate autonomous navigation. U.S. Startup Foundation has deployed Phantom Mk1 humanoid robots to Ukraine's front lines for battlefield testing. These AI-enabled units mark the world's first combat deployment of humanoid robots, raising ethical questions and redefining military robotics. Sydney AI engineer Paul Coningham created a custom mRNA cancer vaccine for his dog Rosie using ChatGPT, Grok, AlphaFold, and UNSW's Genomics Lab. The AI-designed treatment shrank her tumor by 75%, showing real promise for personalized medicine. AI data centers are outsourcing security to quadruped robot dogs from Boston Dynamics and Ghost Robotics. These autonomous units patrol sprawling campuses, outperform fixed sensors, and provide continuous threat detection with real-time alerts and terrain flexibility. Scientists have released the Human Organ Atlas, a free browser-based 3D portal that maps 56 human organs down to individual cells. The tool is already advancing kidney filtration counts, brain surgery planning, and COVID-related lung damage analysis. After 18 years leading Adobe, Shantanu Narayan is stepping down amid rising pressure from generative AI tools that threaten the company's subscription-based creative cloud empire. His departure comes as Adobe races to reinvent its product strategy for an AI-first market. Midjourney has released a preview of its V8 image model, delivering faster generation, improved detail, and significantly better text rendering. Early testers report clear speed gains but mixed reactions on overall image quality as the model continues to evolve. Here are the 5 trending AI tools that can make your work faster, easier, and way more powerful. First one is My Computer by Manus lets you automate files, apps, and desktop workflows instantly using natural language commands. Okara automatically deploys a team of AI agents to grow your website by driving traffic and converting users from a single URL input. Nematron 3 Super is Nvidia's 120 billion parameter reasoning model built with a 1 million token context window for long-form, high-precision AI tasks. Agent 37 gives you instant, managed OpenClaw environments with full terminal access and 850-plus built-in integrations, letting you deploy and run autonomous AI agents in under a minute. Dex lets you query your data in natural language and get answers in seconds. Cardboard is an agentic video editor that turns raw footage into a polished final cut in just minutes. Thea uses AI-generated quizzes, flashcards, and realistic test simulations to help students master subjects, boost retention, and build true exam readiness. Get Physics Done is an open-source AI system that automates end-to-end physics research, from problem setup to simulation, analysis, and paper-ready outputs. 11 Creative by 11 Labs is an all-in-one platform for generating, editing, and localizing premium audio and video using studio-grade AI voices, music, and visuals across 70-plus languages. Banana app lets you make real-time voice calls in 80-plus languages while preserving your natural tone and emotion. Humanizer.org rewrites AI-generated text to make it sound more natural and human, improving readability and helping it pass AI detection tools. AI Flash to see what else is in AI today. Elon Musk confirmed Tesla's Terafab semiconductor facility will launch March 21st, producing custom 2 nanometers chips for AI, autonomous vehicles, and robotics. The $25 billion project aims to secure Tesla's silicon supply and reduce geopolitical risk. Google's personal intelligence now powers the Gemini app, Chrome browser, and AI mode in search for all US users. It delivers personalized AI responses by connecting Gmail, Photos, and other services with opt-in controls and privacy safeguards. ByteDance Seedance 2.0 hit a wall after its hyper-realistic AI-generated videos featuring celebrity likenesses went viral. The Motion Picture Association condemned the model for copyright violations, raising legal and ethical concerns around multimodal video generation. AI firms are recruiting improv actors to help models learn emotional nuance. Handshake AI pays up to $74 per hour for remote sessions where performers act out scenes, switch moods, and convey subtle expressions data text alone can't capture. Perplexity's Comet Enterprise browser now integrates CrowdStrike's Falcon platform, delivering opt-in security for AI-driven workflows. It offers real-time threat detection, data governance, and visibility, protecting enterprises from rising AI-enabled attacks across unmanaged devices. Elon Musk acknowledged xAI is being rebuilt from the foundations up as the startup struggles to match rivals. The company has seen a string of co-founder departures in recent weeks, including Tony Wu, Igor Babushkin, Kyle Kozik, and Christian Szegedy. OpenAI has launched GPT5.4 Mini and Nano, 2 faster, cheaper models built for high-volume workloads. Mini runs over 2 times faster than GPT-5 Mini and supports a 400K context window. Mini is live across ChatGPT, Codex, and the API, while Nano is API only for lightweight, high-throughput tasks. Moonshot AI introduced attention residuals, a new mechanism that lets transformer layers selectively attend to earlier layers instead of uniformly stacking them. The technique cuts training compute by 1.25 times and reduces memory overhead, offering a more efficient alternative to standard residual connections. Google has overhauled Stitch with a new vibe design workflow, letting developers start from prompts instead of wireframes and shape ideas on an AI-native infinite canvas. The updated system understands text, images, and code together, enabling faster, more fluid UI creation. Apple has introduced the AirPods Max 2, its first premium headphone update since 2020. The new model features the H2 chip, improved active noise cancellation, and built-in live translation powered by Apple Intelligence, expanding real-time language support across devices. That's it for this week's update on AI. See you next week for more on AI. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to AI Today.